Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss some more problems related to basic trigonometry. So now we can see the first problem, the value of sin theta plus cos theta whole square. The options are 1, 2, sin theta, 1 plus sin 2 theta. To attempt this problem, one should know the basic algebraic formula of a plus b whole square. So using the a plus b whole square formula, this can be expanded as a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, the identity is 1, and according to the formula of multiple angles, this is 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. So the right option is 1 plus sin 2 theta. Now see the second problem. The value of tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into tan 89 degrees. The options are 0, 1, minus 1, 2. Here the product is tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3. In between we have a angle 45 degrees also. So we have tan 45 and tan 89. So to attempt this problem, we have to use a simple formula of angle of rotation. Tan theta it can be written as cot of 90 minus theta. So tan 89, the last product value written as cot of 90 minus 89. So 90 minus 89 is 1. So tan 89 is equal to cot 1. So before to 89 degrees we have 88 degrees. So tan 88 can be written as cot 2 degrees. In the similar way, before tan 45 we have tan 44, after tan 45 we have tan 46. So the tan 46 can be written as cot 44 degrees on this formula cot of 90 minus theta. So we now gather the products of this product tan 1 and tan 18 at one place, tan 2 tan 88 at one place, tan 3 tan 87 at one place, tan 45 will be in the middle. Before tan 45 we have tan 44, and after tan 45 we have tan 46, that can be written as cot 44. So making use of this tan 18 can be as cot 1, tan 88 is cot 2, likewise tan 45 is 1, tan 44 into cot 44. We all know that tan theta is the reciprocal of cot value. So tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So this first value product is 1, second product is 1, third product is 1, and last product also 1. So the total value is equals to 1. I hope you understood this problem. Now we will see another basic simple example on the basic trigonometry. So here is the problem. The value of log of tan 1 plus log of tan 2 plus log of tan 3 plus and so on plus log of tan 89 degrees. So the options are 1, minus 1, 0, 2. So to attempt this problem, we should have a basic idea regarding this. Sum of logarithms is equals to log of product of values. So using this idea, we can write this sum log tan 1 plus log tan 2 plus log tan 3 plus and so on plus log tan 89 degrees as log of a, b, c up to this. So already we know that this product value is equals to 1 from the previous problem. So log 1 value equal to 0. Now here we have another similar kind of expression. The value of log of sine 1, log of sine 2, log of sine 3, log of 99 degrees. The product is continued up to log of 99 degrees. The options are 0, 1, minus 1, 2. So log of sine 1, log of sine 2, log of sine 3, log of sine 90 will have before sine 19 degrees. And we all know that sine 90 value is equals to 1. So log of sine 90 will become log of 1, and log 1 is equal to 0. So the product of this product of logarithm values of sine is equal to 0. The option A is correct. Now we will see another simple example on basic trigonometry. That is our fifth problem. If sine A plus sine B plus sine C is equal to 3, then the value of cos A plus cos B plus cos C is? Options are 0, 1, 2, 3. So here if you see this problem, we have here sum of three numbers is equals to 3. So when we get sum of the numbers equals to 3, when each number equal to 1 and the sum will become equal to 3. So that means sin A equal to 1, sin B equal to 1, sin C equal to 1. So we know that for angle 90 degrees, sine of an angle equals to 1. That means A is substituted as 90, B is substituted as 90, C is substituted as 90. When A is 90, B 90, C 90, and all of us know that cos of 90 degrees is equal to 0. So that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0. The answer is 0. So likewise we can simplify this problem. This is a tricky problem. Just the tricky is that sum of three sine values equal to 3. So I have just observed that the sum will be equal to 3 with 3 numbers. So each number must be equal to 1. It's only a just small trick. So applying this trick, we have sine A1, sine B1, sine C1. And we know that for 90 degrees only sine of angle equal to 1. So A 90, B 90, C 90. So that cos of 90, because we need to calculate cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So cos of 90 will become 0. Substituting that value, the answer is 0. So option A is correct. I hope you understood this problem. Now you can see another example on basic trigonometry. If sine theta plus cosecant theta equal to 2, then the value of sine cube theta plus cosecant cube theta is equal to. The options are 0, 1, 2, 8. Here you can see we required the value of sine cube theta plus cosecant cube theta. So this seems to be just like of the form a cube plus b cube. To obtain this a cube plus b cube, we have to employ a simple formula of algebra, that is a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here we take a as sin theta, b as cosecant theta. So a plus b whole cube. So that is sin theta plus cosecant theta whole cube. That here equal to, this is 2 cube is equal to a cube plus b cube into 3 ab. A is sin theta, b is cosecant theta multiplied with sin theta plus cosecant theta. So left side is 8. Here a cube plus b cube. Then a is sin cube theta, b is cosecant cube theta. 3 into, we all know that sin theta and cosecant are reciprocal to each other. The product is equal to 1 and sin theta plus cosecant here is 2. So now we get a cube plus b cube, that is nothing but sin cube theta plus cosecant cube theta is equal to 8 minus 3 into 2. So 8 minus 6, the value is 2. So the correct option is C. Okay. So in that way we can solve this problem. I hope that you are understanding the problems, and look at that algebra formulas are used in solving certain trigonometric values. So be thorough with the algebra formulas also to understand the situation and attempt the problem in a better manner. Now we can solve another problem. We go for another simple example on basic trigonometry. So here is the problem. Problem number 7. If a minus b is equal to 3 pi by 4, then value of 1 minus tan a into 1 minus tan b. The options are a 0, b 2, c minus 1, d none. So what here is given and what we need to calculate. A minus b, difference of angles, is given as 3 pi by 4. Then we have to find the product of this value. So we all know a formula related to tan of difference of angles. So we apply tan on both sides. So we get tan a minus b is equals to tan of 3 pi by 4. So from this, applying the formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b is equal to tan of 3 pi by 4, which is 135 degrees. So it is tan of 90 plus 45 degrees, which is the second quadrant. Tan of 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. So we get minus cot 45. Cot 45 is 1. So here we have tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now taking the cross multiplication, tan a minus tan b is equals to minus 1 minus tan a tan b. So here tan a minus tan b value is minus 1 minus tan a tan b. So taking this tan a to the right side, we get minus tan a. Tan b to the right side, we get plus tan b minus tan a tan b, which is there, and taking minus 1 to the left side, that equal to 1. So minus tan a plus tan b minus tan a tan b equals to 1. Taking here, adding 1 on both sides, 1 minus tan a plus taking here tan b common, 1 minus tan a is equals to 1 plus 1. So 1 is added on both sides. Now taking 1 minus tan a common, we will get 1 minus tan b is equals to 2. Is it clear to you? I hope you understood this problem. Here the value 1 minus tan a into 1 plus tan b, so that is 2. Now we will work on another problem based on simple trigonometry. If x comma y are in first quadrant, sometimes this first quadrant can be replaced with acute angles less than 90 degrees. Tan of x minus y is equal to 7 by 24. Tan x is equal to 4 by 3. Then x plus y is equal to, the options are 3 by 4, pi by 2, pi by 4, 1. So to attempt this problem, what actually given to us and what we have to calculate, that has to be understood properly. So we need to calculate the value of x plus y is equal, and what we have been given earlier, tan of x minus y and tan x. So we use this information regarding tan of angles to get the value of x plus y. So all you have know that tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Now I am going to substitute this tan x value 4 by 3 here, 4 by 3 minus tan y by 1 plus 4 by 3 tan y is equal to 7 by 24. So from this we want to simplify this, further we cross multiply. So 4 by 3 minus tan y equals to 7 by 24 times of 1 plus 4 by 3 tan y. So taking the constant terms to the left side and tan angle to the right side, tan y get. So taking tan y common here, 4 1s are 4 6 are 24. So we get 7 by 18 plus 1, taking tan y common, and here this is 24 is the LCM. So 8 4s are 32, 24 1s are 24, we get 7. So the total value here is 32 minus 7 by 20. So we get 25 by 24 is equals to here 25 by 18 into 10. So simplifying this, 25 can get cancelled. Tan y is equals to 18 by 24. So this is 3 by 4. Tan y value 3 by 4. Now use this tan x value 4 by 3, tan y value 3 by 4 to get the value of x plus y. So further we applied trigonometry to tan to the sum of the angles. So tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So that is equal to 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. You can see that this will get cancelled. So 1 minus 1 will be 0, something by 0 is infinity. So tan of certain angle is equals to infinity, means this angle must be 90 degrees. So we conclude that x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, or x plus y 90 degrees in pi radians, it is pi by 2. So the right option for this problem is B. So what I am saying, speaking here, tan of x plus y is equals to infinity. So angle of tan is infinity, means that angle must be 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the solution of this problem. It is little bit lengthy, but once you have to practice this, because it's involving formulas of tan of a minus b and tan of a plus b. Now we will see another example related to basic trigonometry. So the value of sin alpha plus cosecant alpha is equals to 2, then sin square alpha plus cosecant square alpha is equal to, options are 1 2 0 minus 1. So here you have been given sin alpha plus cosecant alpha equals to 2, and you have to calculate sine square alpha plus cosecant square alpha. Here you have a plus b something, a square plus b square. So squaring on both sides, you can see that sine square alpha plus cosecant square alpha plus 2 sine alpha cosecant alpha is equal to 2 square. So 4 you get. Here sine alpha into cosecant alpha is 1. So this will be as it is, sine square alpha plus cosecant square alpha. So we need this value, sine square alpha plus cosecant square alpha is equal to 4 minus 2. Answer is, the right option is B. See another problem. If sine alpha plus cos alpha is equals to 5 by 4, then sine 2 alpha is equal to. So you have been given options as 3 by 16, 7 by 16, 5 by 16, 9 by 16. So the given values are sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to 5 by 4. So squaring on both sides, sin alpha plus cos alpha whole square is equal to 5 by 4 whole square. So we get sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha is equal to 25 by 60. All we of us know that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. So 1 plus this 2 sin alpha cos alpha is sin 2 alpha is equal to 25 by 16. So sin 2 alpha is equal to 25 by 16 minus 1. Taking LCM with 16, you can see that this is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. 9 by 16. So the right option is D. Sin 2 alpha is equal to 9 by 16. I hope that you understood these problems. So we can go through some other kind of simple problems in the next video. Thank you.